Hello, we are now to see uh, the nature of logistic management. Now, in order to analyze the nature of logistic management, we must have a clear understanding of the definition of logistic management first. However, we have done the definition already. Anyway, we will be having a quick recap at the definition. Definition given by Kotler. Say, we will see that definition first and then come down to some sort of conclusion. Philip Kotler defines logistics as planning, implementing and controlling the physical flow of materials and finished goods from the point of origin to the point of use to meet the customer needs at profit. Now, this is the core definition. This definition clearly brings that procurement part is a part of logistic management, movement of the goods is part of logistic, storage of the materials, parts and the finished goods inventory is also a part of marketing, and all these things has to be done in a cost effective manner. In India, the logistic costs are higher than in developed countries. It is around 13% of the GDP, whereas in USA it is only 9% of the GDP. The logistic cost is only 9% of the GDP. Okay, now nature of logistics. Logistics is marketing oriented. Logistics plays an important role in marketing orientation process. Marketing orientation means looking into the needs and wants of the customer. Now, every business tries to look into the needs and wants of the customer. Logistics is helpful in building and sustaining the marketing orientation of the entire organization. So, marketing logistics is marketing oriented. It makes the entire organization marketing oriented. Then we have logistics allows efficient movements of goods to the customer. Logistics deals with the physical movement of goods, and in case of intangible, say when we are providing services, the delivery of the services at the right time, at the right place, in the right quantity. Logistics system as supplying the right product at the right place at the right time in the right condition for the right cost to the customers consuming the product. Now, that was regarding services, and this was regarding products. Now, this is efficient movement of goods to the customer. Logistic as a propriety asset. If organization has got an effective logistic management system integrated into its organization, then its organization is a step ahead as compared to other organizations, because it can provide the customer with the product at the right time, at the right place, at a minimum cost. It can gain the market share advantage over its competitors because of this logistic department of its. So, it is an asset to the organization. So, logistic is an integrating function. As an integrating function, there is integration of demand, information handling, demand forecasting, transportation, inventory, warehousing, material handling, packaging, consumer services, and sometimes even the security. All these key make the overall logistic process a complete process. So logistics is integration of all these which we have talked about. Logistics creates time and place utility. Logistics system which creates place utility, that is it, from the place where it is surplus, it is moved to a place where there is dearth of that material, so that benefit, a value can be added to that product. Addition to the economic value of goods, services known as goods as services. This addition to the economic value of goods and services is known as place utility. Time utility is making available the product at the right time. Time utility is much more important today because the emphasis upon reducing the lead time and minimizing the inventory level. We are now entering into a phase where in the inventory we have just in time inventory management. That means we do not keep stocks of inventory. So this has become even more important in today's scenario. Logistics management. Logistics provides customer satisfaction. Yeah, the main objective here is to provide customer service to the organization. That is the main part of the logistic management, and as a consequence of providing customer services, all this, the movement of the goods, the movements of the spare parts comes into being, because we want to give service to the customer. Customer service is a set of activities which is designed to enhance the level of customer satisfaction. An efficient management of logistics helps in improving the level of customer servicing by developing an efficient system of warehousing, quick transport, and maintaining an optimum level of inventory. Then logistics reduces the total cost. The main function of every organization is to reduce the total cost of physical distribution of the products. Cost of physical distribution consists of various elements such as transportation, warehousing, inventory maintenance, etc. Logistic management is helpful in reducing the total costs. Therefore, logistics is considered to be a complex process involving planning, managing, controlling the flow of goods and services, information, real-time data, human resources from the point of origin to the point of destination. There is hardly any manufacturing or marketing activity that can be achieved without the support of efficient logistic department. So for every manufacturing or marketing activity, we require logistics. Logistics is an inseparable part of any of the commercial activities. This is all about the nature of logistics. We have types of logistics also. We'll be discussing it in our next lecture.